Paying for Crunchyroll with Apple Pay is pretty easy to do. Today I'm going to teach you how you guys can pay for Crunchyroll using Apple Pay. So first of all you need to have some money into your Apple account. In order to get that, you simply have to go to your App Store. In the App Store you have to tap on your profile. In your profile you will easily be able to see an option for add payment method or redeemer code with which you can add some funds into your Apple account. After having some money into your Apple account, you simply have to go to the Crunchyroll application, which would look something like that. Now here you simply have to tap on your account. If you are not logging, you have to log in. After logging in you have to tap on this membership plan, and there you go, you have to tap on Google Premium. Here you have to select the plan that you want to buy, so you have to tap on Start Subscription, and there you go, it will automatically pop up Apple Pay option right here. In my case I'm at Android, so it popped up the Google Play option. So that's pretty much it. That's how you'll be able to do it. Hope you guys find this today helpful.